Colonel, the General is on his way and the Swedish art expert is outside. What are you doing with the telephone?
With a small piece of chewing gum, I fix the cradle so that I can hear, on Helga's phone, every word that's spoken.
I see. And for what reason are we doing this?
We must find out on which train the paintings are leaving.
Heil Hitler! Heil Hitler! Come in here with me. This is the well-known Swedish art expert, Yoop Hoop de Hoop.
Delighted to make your acquaintance in person.
Where are the paintings?
On the table, General.
Good. Examine them. You two, wait outside.
Yes, General.
You will stay 10 feet away from the keyhole. Sit behind the desk.
Yes, General.
Wait here until I return. Don't think I'm going to fall for the old chewing gum on the telephone trick.
Gruber, quick. Outside. Get to the window. Up the ivy.
It being such an important mission, would you not prefer to do this yourself?
I'm too heavy for the ivy.
There's no doubt about it. At stake my reputation that both of these are the authentic works of the masters. My client will be most satisfied.
Good. I'm pleased to hear it. Now to the little matter of $1 million in gold bars.
I'll be most happy to hand them to you.
That would seem to be correct. The paintings are yours.
I will take them personally to Geneva.
Will that be safe?
The night express to Geneva has in its guard's van a safe. My destination and mission are known only to you and to my client. I don't think we have anything to worry about.
Heil Hitler!
General, do me a favor.
You may have your office back. I have finished with it. Heil Hitler!
Heil Hitler. Gruber! Gruber! Did you hear anything? Helga! What are you doing there?
Just ordinary eavesdropping, Colonel. I was hoping to discover the destination of our paintings.
Did you find anything out?
Happily, yes.
Where's Gruber?
I am clinging to some ivy.